Assetto Corsa apps and HUD overlays can fail for several reasons, especially given the game's age and continuous updates to supporting software. Understanding these issues is crucial for getting your mods working properly. The main issues in 2024 and 2025 include DirectX compatibility problems with newer Windows versions, deprecation of the Python app framework affecting older overlay mods, and conflicts between popular mods like Sol Weather and certain HUD applications. To understand why apps fail, you need to know there are three different types of Assetto Corsa applications. Each type works differently and has its own potential issues. For these apps to work properly, you need four essential components installed and up to date. These are the foundation that most Assetto Corsa modifications depend on. Keeping these components up to date and compatible with your Assetto Corsa installation is vital for app functionality. Understanding these fundamentals will help you troubleshoot issues more effectively. Before troubleshooting specific apps, start with these essential verification steps. First, verify your Assetto Corsa installation integrity through Steam, then update your graphics drivers to the latest version. For native Python apps, the correct installation is crucial. Extract apps to the Steam Apps Common Assetto Corsa Apps Python folder, then enable them in Assetto Corsa settings under General UI modules. External overlay applications like SimHub and CrewChief require special configuration. Run them as administrator, add Windows Defender exclusions, and set compatibility mode if needed for older applications. The modern approach uses custom shaders patch for integrated HUD elements. This method offers better performance, VR compatibility, and reduced system resource usage compared to external overlays. If issues persist, follow this troubleshooting checklist. Check Python installation integrity, verify app compatibility with your Assetto Corsa version, and ensure proper folder structure and naming conventions. Finally, follow these best practices for long-term success. Regularly back up your working configurations, stay updated with community forums for the latest fixes, and test new installations in isolated environments before applying them to your main setup.